Hi, I'm Thomas. While studying economics, I co-founded Medium Invest, and for 13 years I've been fortunate to call my passion my profession. Today I'll share my most used AI prompt for investing. One can argue that quantitative hedge funds used to be at the very leading edge of AI research, easily offering the largest paycheck to the brightest mathematicians, physicists, and computer scientists. No prior knowledge of investing or finance was needed. It's just statistical models, crunching the vast amount of data that is available in the financial world, trying to get an edge and make money. It is not AI in the modern sense. It is machine learning, laser focused on making money with pattern recognition, predictive modeling, and algorithmic trading. For the best, it worked wonders. The Medallion Fund made 66% average yearly returns before fees for 30 years, leaving any brilliant but more traditional investors like Warren Buffett in the dust, relatively speaking. Today, the leading AI companies offer the most competitive pay packages, attracting the best talent, and offers the leading-edge AI models to everyone for relatively cheap. We have been experimenting with AI for years, and the quality of the models have really improved. This is currently my most used prompt, which nicely leverages the advantages of large language models. The full prompt is in the description of this video, so you can easily copy it and try it out yourself. My preferred model right now is Opus 4.6 with extended thinking, research, and web search on. With only 10 seconds of human input, copying and pasting the prompt, typing in the name of the company I want to research, and roughly 10 to 15 minutes of AI processing time, we get this output, which we use to decide whether to invest our time and resources to do our usual deep due diligence, or if we should just move on to the next investment opportunity. We have literally had junior analysts spending a couple of days to produce a similar output. And by using AI, the human time spent is reduced by 99.994%. Or if you like big numbers, we can also invert and divide 2 days by 10 seconds to get an efficiency improvement of 1,728,000%. I'm going to quickly show you the full output. If you want to actually read it, you can find a link to a more readable format in the description below. It is not perfect, and we are still playing around with the prompt, optimizing and testing new ideas. Our experience with AI's handling of data is mixed. When it comes to data, we are spoiled in the financial world, having lots of data easily available already. But we still like to test AI's capability because it may do it better, if not today, then maybe tomorrow. And obviously with a prompt only focused on data, we could get much better data results. Most of this prompt plays into the strength of the modern AI's capabilities. Large language models are extremely efficient at finding and presenting information that is already out there. So you can quickly get up to speed. Make sure you're not spending a lot of time researching a company just to find out it was cheap for a good reason. AI is great at recounting the past and the present. But the future is what matters, especially in investing. You need to understand the basics, but you make the real money when you realize the consensus is wrong, when you spot or realize something everyone else is missing, or correctly understand the real long-term outlook of the business. AI can still hallucinate. That's not a problem in the initial research, but it is for the final research. You can ask AI whether you should buy, hold, or sell a security. And we do, just to test it. But we are certainly not there yet. Maybe AI's ability will continue to scale with more compute and more data. Maybe we are starting to approach the limits of large language models. Maybe new scientific breakthroughs will allow AI's capabilities to grow exponentially. To some, it may sound scary, and I can understand why. But it is part of the future, so you might as well embrace it. We find AI to be quite valuable for some tasks today. Maybe it will be very valuable for many tasks tomorrow. I don't know for certain. But test it, use it, and find ways to maximize the benefits and minimize the risks. Thank you for watching, and remember, this is not financial advice, it's for informational purposes only. You can read our disclaimer in the description below. Also, I'd love to hear about your best, most valuable real-world use cases of AI today. Let me know in the comments below or find my email to reach out. Thank you.